Here we have a 2026 Ram ProMaster. This truck is set up for a regional utility fleet. On the outside, we have a handful of strobe lighting and scene lighting. On the underbody, we have these rocker panel mounted lights. These actually have an override and double as scene lights. On this driver side, we have a shore power inlet for 110, so we could recharge that auxiliary battery the truck's set up with. On the interior, we've got our inverter system controls as well as our switchboard. And we have a cab box there for storing smaller items, and then a controller below for our go light. Let's take a look on the outside. So additional scene lighting, we have a go light mounted on the top, the arrow boards front and rear for controlling traffic. And then at this passenger side rear, we have a 12-volt exterior outlet as well as a 110 outlet as well. Let's take a look inside. Inside, we have our Legend motion sensor lighting. So you walk in, these pop on. On our passenger side, we have some hooks for accessories, additional 12-volt outlets, 110 outlets, and these upper storage compartments for battery chargers and the like. We have these small parts bins for smaller items, Ranger design parts cases. At the rear, we have a shelving unit with locking storage. Inside, we have our pack bins with dividers. Below, we have a pipe channel in the shelving unit that allows space for conduit. And then we have additional 110 outlets. Up top, we have our breaker panel, as well as additional 12-volt outlets here. So for additional charging. And then on top of our workbench, more outlets and a nice, easy to access worktop with storage below. We have an aluminum contoured partition with hooks and E-track. And then our electrical system is below the workbench for easy access. We have a 200 amp hour battery stored in this battery box, along with easy access for breakers and fuses and cutoffs. If you want to do something like this, give us a call. You can reach out. Our number is 866-925-4844.